everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Analytics Academy Data Analytics full course. Today we are going to learn about KPI chart, that is what Gauge chart. Okay, how to use Gauge chart in our Power BI, how to identify the percentage. Okay, that we are going to learn how to do the formatting of particular KPI. What is KPI in Power BI? That we are going to learn. Okay, so let's start our video. If you are new to our Analytics Academy YouTube channel, please subscribe to our channel, press bell icon, share with your friends. So let's start today's KPI chart, that is what Gauge chart. Now what is KPI in Power BI? KPI is nothing but key performance indicator in Power BI. So here I will load data, okay, one table here, and I will show you practically now how these KPI charts are used. Okay, Gauge chart is used to identify the percentage, how many percentage our activity task is completed. Okay, that we can identify from the particular Gauge chart. Now here you can see on my values I will add activity plan. Okay, on my values I have added activity plan. Here you can see on activity plan I have imported on my value section. Okay, you can see here how many sections are given. First one is what? Value. Okay, second is what? Minimum value, how much minimum value I want. Third is what? Maximum value. Okay, and fourth one is what? Target value. Okay, and fifth one is tooltip. Now here I have imported count of activity plan. Okay, and what is my maximum and minimum value? You can see here my minimum value is what? 0. Okay, default, and my maximum value is what? 2162. That is the count of my column. Okay, how much information, how much data I have imported on my activity plan. From that it has imported the minimum value, default, that is 0, and maximum value is what? 2162. Okay, it is default how much I have added on my particular column of activity plan. Okay, and here on minimum value also I can add any column, that also I can add. Okay, from maximum value, location I can add. From by using this chart, how much percentage, how much our task is completed, that for that we are using the Gauge chart. Gauge chart is the chart which is the chart of KPI. Now KPI is key performance indicator, which is used to track and identify, okay, to track and identify the performance of the particular task. For that purpose we are using the Gauge chart on our Power BI. Okay, on our project also of Instagram and Google Play Store, we have added this chart. Okay, to identify and track the performance by using the columns, various columns we have used on our projects also. If you have not covered that project topic, please go to our channel on playlist and complete the project also. So step wise you will understand how to use DAX formula. Okay, how to use measures in the Power BI, that also we have covered on our project of Google Play Store and Instagram rich analysis dashboard. Okay, that I have covered. On that we have used this KPI Gauge chart to identify and track performance of particular task as per the particular column. Now here we will give the title, colors, background color we can change here. Okay, data labels we have kept out. If I will off the data labels, then information minimum value and maximum value cannot be visible to me. Okay, target value also is on. Okay, now here we will change the background color. Okay, and title for particular our get chart. Performance based on activity. Based on activity. Okay. Now here we are given the performance based by activity. How much percentage activity is completed, from that this chart is used. Okay. Now here you can see this much task is completed. Okay. From minimum value is what 1077 and maximum is what 1091. Okay. From that how much task is completed, that is used. Okay. Count of status and count of contractor. Data label is also on. Okay, tooltip also we have kept on, title also is on, and header icon also is on. Colors also we can change for the performance. How much performance is completed, that we can change here. Okay, target color also we can change, and get axis also we can modify from our visual. Okay, from our visualization pane we can modify. 3 pane is provided by Power BI. First one is data pane, visualization pane, from which we are formatting of our visual, which we are doing now. And third one is what? Filter. Okay, filter pane is used for to identify the top, bottom, that to add the filter. For that purpose we are using the filter pane in our Power BI for particular visuals. Okay, here title, on our title we will modify the, okay, on title we have used this chart. Okay, get chart based on our activity and status, right? Activity and status. Okay, font family also we can change here, and font color also we can, text color also we can modify from here. From here we can modify text color also, font family we can modify. Okay, background color also for particular text we can modify. Now here title is in our left alignment. If I want my alignment on center, that also I can provide here. Header icon effects is what? For changing the color, transparency, that we are can. Visual border also we will add, shadow also we can add from here. Okay, first one is what? Value, minimum value, second is minimum value, third is what? Maximum value, and fourth one is target value. So 1991 is our target value, right? Minimum value is 1077 and target, that is maximum value is what? 1091 that we have provided. Tooltip is common in all the visuals which we are using our Power BI. Okay, if you are not completed last sessions of our Power BI, 21 sessions till now we have completed. Projects also we have completed. SQL full course also I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. From there also you can watch. If you are not completed all the projects and sessions, please go there and complete all the sessions of SQL, Python, Excel that I have uploaded. Okay, hope you have understood today's video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon and share with your friends who want to learn data analytics. Okay, if you have if you are having any doubt, please comment me and ask this on our description. I have uploaded notes for this particular chart. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye everyone.